Hey guys, today we're going to be drawing a minion. I'm using an iPad Pro with the Procreate app. Now you don't need this to follow along. You can use a white sheet of paper, a black marker for outline, and markers and crayons for coloring in. Now I've already gone and created two layers, the outline layer and the color layer. The outline layer is where we're going to be using our black marker for outline, and the color layer is where we're going to be coloring. If you're using a white sheet of paper, you can go and grab a black marker. Now, as you can see, I already have a sketch laid out here, and we're just going to go ahead and trace it. If you're using a piece of paper, you could go grab a black marker. So I'm already in my iPad with my black brush, and we can start. So I'm in my outline layer. We could start with the pieces of hair on his head. All right, let's start with his goggles and his eyes. So if you're on an iPad and you want a perfect circle, you draw out the circle first. Don't let go of your Apple Pencil. Use your other finger, tap anywhere on the screen, and you get a perfect circle. So we're going to be drawing 4 circles. And then we can also do the goggles. So we could start with the head. And then we can draw his mouth. And then his overalls. And there's a button over here. The little X. Same on this side. And then we could do a little pocket. And then we could do a little pocket. And there's a diamond logo that has the letter G in it. Okay, let's finish off his overalls. And then his arms. And then his overalls again. And if I'm going too fast, you can always pause and go back. And then lastly, his shoes. All right, guys, that is your outline. So now we can start coloring, and I'm gonna go into my color layer, and I'm gonna select a yellow. One cool thing on the iPad, I can select the color and just drop it in. And then just clean up some of the edges here. All right, let's go back to his goggles. Let's select a black, or maybe like just a dark gray. And we can color these goggles in. And then for the metal part, select a gray. Let's get a slightly lighter gray. So I'm going to do some highlights, and I'm just going to leave some parts white. And you can also do this anywhere in your drawing. Just like that. And same down here, I'm going to do some shadows. So we'll do those pieces in a darker gray. And then there's also a little bit of skin here, so the whole thing is not his eye. I'm gonna grab that yellow, and if you're on an iPad, just click on this little square here, tap anywhere, and then you got your yellow. Okay, and his eyes are black here. His pupil is black. And then the outside is brown. Actually, that's too red, so let's just grab, I got some brown down here. So let's select that brown. We're gonna go back to our black, select a thinner brush, and just do his pupil. Then I'm gonna grab my white, do a tiny bit of highlight. And I know if you're on a piece of paper, you probably can't do this. All right, guys, now we can color in his overalls. So let's select a jean material or a jean blue. Maybe something like that. And this logo is black, so let's get a black and color that in. And then his gloves. Let's do that. And then the soles of his shoes. I'm just going to select just a gray for the button so that you can see the X. And I'm also just going to do his shoes in the same color. And one last detail I want to add is some white stitching on his jeans. I'm not sure if this is going to work if you have pencil crayons, but you can try if you have a white pencil crayon. And there you go, guys. There is your minion.